Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're tackling, well, the biggest story there is Earth itself. How did it become the stage for all life? We're using insights from Earth, the stage of life.
A great source.
Our mission, really, is to pull out the key moments, the big shifts in our planet's history, and figure out why it all matters now.
Sounds good. Where do we start? The very beginning.
Let's do it, the fiery start.
Right. So cast your mind back, way back, 4.6 billion years. Earth wasn't Earth as we know it.
Not even close.
Exactly. It formed from this huge cloud of gas and dust, the nebular hypothesis. Imagine just a molten sphere, super hot.
No blue oceans, no air to breathe.
No oxygen, no oceans.
Yeah.
Just this incredibly hot ball of rock and metal, basically brought together by gravity. That gravitational pull was step one.
Okay, so step one, giant hot rock. How do we get from that to, well, this? What had to go right?
A few things, really, critical things. First, location, location, location. Earth ended up in the habitable zone.
The Goldilocks spot? Not too hot, not too cold.
Precisely. But just being there wasn't quite enough. We also got lucky with a strong magnetic field.
Ah, the shield.
Exactly. It protects us from a lot of nasty solar radiation. Think of it like Earth's built-in sunscreen.
And the moon. I hear the moon was important.
Oh, hugely important, because gravity kind of holds Earth steady. It stops our planet from wobbling too much on its axis.
It means.
Stable climate, relatively speaking.
Yeah.
Predictable seasons over long time scales. Without the moon, climate would have been chaotic. Liquid water probably wouldn't have lasted.
Okay, so we've got the right location, a shield, and stability. That sets the stage for water. Where did that come from?
Well, the best idea we have is that it was delivered. Think space deliveries.
Like comets and asteroids.
Exactly. Bombarding early Earth, carrying lots of water ice. As the planet started to cool down just enough, that ice melted, water vapor condensed, and eventually oceans formed.
Wow, and that water wasn't just sitting there, right? It did something.
It did everything. Water is like the ultimate solvent. It's the medium where all the complex chemistry needed for life could actually happen. It's where those first prebiotic reactions likely kicked off.
Life's primordial soup, essentially.
That's a great way to put it. It provides the arena.
So the arena's ready, then life walks on stage. How does that happen?
That's still one of the biggest mysteries.
Yeah.
But we know the first life forms were really simple, single-celled organisms.
Tiny beginning.
Very tiny. But then evolution gets going, and a huge turning point was photosynthesis. Cyanobacteria figured it out.
And started pumping out oxygen.
Tons of it, leading to what we call the Great Oxidation Event. It fundamentally changed the atmosphere, flooded it with oxygen.
That sounds dramatic and maybe dangerous for early life.
It was. Oxygen was toxic to many early microbes, but it also opened up this massive new energy source. It allowed for bigger, more complex life, multicellular life.
So oxygen wasn't just air, it was fuel for complexity?
Absolutely. That oxygen-rich world allowed animals, plants, fungi, eventually us. It allowed everything to evolve. Earth became this incredibly vibrant stage.
And all living things are actors in this ongoing play.
That's the metaphor, yeah. Every organism playing its part.
Which brings us right up to today, our part. It feels like we've kind of taken over the stage direction lately.
That's one way to put it. We're in the Anthropocene now, the age of humans.
Yeah.
Our actions are significantly reshaping the planet, the stage itself.
So we're not just actors anymore. We're writers, directors.
Maybe even stagehands, rapidly changing the set. It means this whole story, this deep history, isn't just fascinating background. It's context for now.
Right. It tells us what we're messing with, essentially.
Exactly. It highlights how interconnected everything is, how delicate the balance can be. The conditions that allowed us and everything else to thrive took billions of years to develop.
And we're changing them. Fast.
Very fast. Which really forces you to think about our responsibility, doesn't it? What kind of story do we want the next act to tell?
From that fiery rock to a living planet shaped by life, now shared by us, it's quite a journey. Puts our role in perspective.
It really does. Maybe the key thing to take away is just that perspective. Recognizing this incredible stage we're on, how unique it is, and that its future really depends on how we choose to act. We need to be good stewards.
Ensuring the stage remains suitable for life to flourish. A powerful thought to end on.